ain't that real. Shaquille O'Neal pills. We keep it litty in the paint. Quit ignoring the skill. Overlord on the deal. We going hard for the kill. Lower bottom to the hills. Kanye say you will. Bottom line, I got better.
Don't say you will.
Bottom line, I got better.
Please say you will.
Yeah. I've been active, no Oscar. Spitting out the binocular. Bologna sandwich to lobster. And breaking bread with a mobster. Don't hang with niggas for commas. No posting pictures for comments. It's been organic from the heart. You was never no partner. I'm recording myself. Mix and master it too. If I learn to make a beat, I will overcharge you. No chasing Pepe Le Pew. The bitch ran through the crew. How the fuck she love me, but she run into you? Her DM probably crowded. Her DM probably crowded.
About to catch a body, nigga.
Bottom line, I got better. Yeah. My nigga really been active, but I was never no captain. But since you know where dog go, collect the money from passing. Cause they believe in the average, but never see it to manage. All alone face rejection, hit and go was the habit. About the money and Madden, but never doing no tackling. I'm still a home run hitter, real homie was having. Princess Jasmine Aladdin, I've been the president palace. I chased the money over love, broken heart is the talent. Pussy niggas, you mad at, cause them niggas who had it. You ran away from yourself, Buckingham from the palace. You think you wondering Alice, yeah we in La La Land. I look behind me, no one's there cause I don't have no film. Bottom line, I got better.